Hi Gemini, this is your next 10 days reading. I am going to take the day of today, that is 11th of February to the 21st of February. I am going to look at the energies that are going to surround you, affect you, give you, cause for some concern, but I will give you tips that will help you to, see these energies clearly in advance. So, before I start the tarot reading, I am going to read out a card from the Chakra Wisdom Oracle. I am going to see what this card which has come out for you is saying. It is the Destiny card which has come out. It is the gray chakra, the neutral chakra, about which it is talking about. It is talking about the black and white in your life. So this is saying that there are two energies in us, the black and the white energy. We need to merge it together to bring out a better color, bring out a better circumstance for ourselves. So it is saying that do you take risk, do you dare to have your life the way you decide, are you willing to make sacrifices to have what you desire? So that is the question that should affect you, that should come in your mind. And it's saying that what tools you require for that, to make a life of your own, to make and decide a life for yourself. So you need, number one, true love. Number two, you need you need to see the signal of a positive omen, the signal of something which is positive in your life. And you got to do radical thinking. And you should have the ability to change. So the ability to change, to see the signs and signals of positivity in your life, will lead you towards success, lead you towards merging of the black and white in your life. So if you want to read more about the neutral chakra, about the gray chakra, you need to go to Google and research a bit about it, and try to meditate. You can meditate to enhance this. So how do you meditate? What do you ask in your meditation? You have to seek the guidance of the angels. You have to seek the guidance of your ancestors. You have to seek guidance of spirits that guide you. So you need to talk to them, and you need to ask for ways and means to upgrade your life, and how to make decisions in your life which will benefit you and you only. So this is what the destiny card is saying. So you make your own destiny, that's for sure. So you need to work on yourself and work this neutral chakra. So that's it from my side regarding the chakra wisdom. Now we see the energy which is coming in. The first energy which is coming in for you is of success. This is Queen of Wands. So some of you are embodying the spirit of Queen of Wands. You could be male or female, Gemini, but you are taking up this energy of Queen of Wands. This is a confident person. This is a person who is an achiever, who is successful, who sees success all the time. Someone who is a magnetic person, someone who attracts influences, good influences towards themselves, someone who is the main attraction in a room full of people. So you will be in that mode. I am seeing you coming into success with Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles means that an energy of something is coming to you, an energy of a coin is coming to you. So it is a physical experience of opportunity. You could be getting an opportunity. Some of you could be getting a chance to make or start your business. Some of you start a love affair, start something from the scratch. So there is a shift in your current situation. Something new is turning up. Some good news regarding money is coming to you, which will propel you towards your success. So very good energy in the beginning of the first part of the 10 days. Then as you go forward, I see you in this, you were in this, actually you were in this situation of reverse ace of swords. This means that you were misjudging something, you were in a misjudging situation, you were not judging things properly, you were not seeing things clearly. So there was a vagueness, there was a darkness, there was something which was misleading you. So from that situation you are going to get out, because you are getting a clarification of Knight of Wands. Either this can mean that you are getting out of this, reverse truth situation, somewhere you are not seeing truth, you are going to come out and see the truth, something will shift in your favor and you will shift yourself towards that. I see that. Or some of you had done something reckless, something which you shouldn't have done, which has taken you to a misjudgment. So a misjudge happened, error in judgment happened because of a step which you took, which you are now regretting. So it could be in your love life, it could be in your job life, something you had done, some shift of course occurred in your life which was a bit reckless and you made an error. So I see that kind of energy around you. I see an energy of the devil, because there is a dependency on someone maybe, or there is dependence on addiction, or there is a blockage in your work situation or your life of love. So there is, a problem which is causing obstacles in your path, or you are obsessively thinking about something which is causing problems. You are finding yourself shackled to people, maybe you are shackled to, this three of pentacles. This three of pentacles means a project, it can mean friends, it can mean family, it can mean money situation which is in collaboration, or it can mean that some colleagues are causing problems for you in your work life. So there is this, devil situation in collaboration, that is what I am seeing. So that devil is causing, problems in your path. So as you go forward, I see a heartbreak also coming in, a little bit of, sadness, little bit of, loss. For some of you, this means that you either went through a, job loss, or a loss of a relationship, and you were feeling heartbroken, or, someone near or dear one did something to you which, a friend caused this heartbreak. So you are needed to see the situation properly, you have to see what is practical for you, you have to see what can change for you, how you can change yourself and go towards something without breaking your heart. So you are being asked by the divine to, concentrate on a certain situation, see a proper perspective and go towards your success, or go towards a success in a love situation, keeping in mind the reality of the situation. That is what I see. Some of you are feeling that your job or your career is not growing, it is giving you sense of loss. Some of you are seeing business not growing, so it can be a sense of loss, but you can get out of this with your Queen of Wands energy which is coming in the beginning. So Queen of Wands energy will take you out of this, feeling of sadness because of something which is not growing. So it could be stagnancy in a love life, could be stagnancy in a job life or a business. So as you go forward, I see that you are shining a light on yourself, or a significant Virgo or an elderly person is coming to you and you are seeking wisdom from this person, or you are listening to yourself and seeking wisdom from yourself. So you are shining the inner light, you are getting into an isolated situation, some of you taking a break from a messy situation or an error of judgment, and you are going inwards and thinking about your problems and shining a light in a situation. So what is happening is you will be getting towards justice. This means a balance in your situation of emotions. This means, seeing cause and effect, seeing the truth clearly. This also means, so the reverse ace of swords will be righted in these 10 days, and you will be able to see the cause and effect, the reality very soon. You will be able to balance two situations if it is something which is bothering you. If there is a justice situation, you will be getting justice favorably. So favorable situation in justice is going to happen. One more thing in justice card, when you get a justice card, this means that you are either getting into a relationship, you know mending a relationship maybe, or you are getting to get out of a relationship which was missing you, or you are able to be fair in a situation. So it can be a fairness done to you by the divine, fairness done to you by others, or fairness is done by you for others because you are shining the inner light. So harmonious situation can happen, new contracts will be signed by some of you, getting into a situation of quitting or joining can happen for you. So whatever it is, you are going towards a situation of 10 of cups. This means emotional fulfillment, this means happiness with family, this means emotionally satisfied. Finally you are breathing in a better way, finally you are enjoying with your people, enjoying with people whom you love. So there will be a situation of satisfaction for some of you, completion for some of you. So justice and 10 of cups can also mean that some of you are leaving a family situation, some of you are leaving a family situation or joining a family situation. So something will happen which will give you a feeling of fairness being done to you, or you are doing some fairness towards others or your family. That is what I see. So as you go forward, I see the couple here, I see the couple, the king and queen of pentacles. So in your situation, you will be seeing that you become a person of great repute, or a person of riches, or you are a person of you are a person who understands physicality, understands love, understand material things, and and has a balance over or control over these things. And you are also affecting the other party in your life, or the partner in your life, in a similar way. That person also thinks the way you are thinking, that person is also a bearer of coin. So both of you are enjoying the physicality of this universe, enjoying the love, enjoying the happiness, enjoying the money, enjoying the riches. So you both are in harmony. So I see for some of you very good situation happening, some of you are getting married or getting into a relationship. So whatever it is, the judgment will happen. Judgment means changes in your situation will take place. So from wherever you are coming from whichever side you are coming, a situation of balance will be created. The yin and yang energy, the energy of male and female will be balanced in your body. So you are going towards physical pleasures, you are going towards physical happiness, you are going towards tangible achievements. So you are in this judgment situation which is going to be very very favorable for you. So whatever you were going through, the problems, the wounded warrior situation, the situation of someone who was hurt and hurt in a relationship, someone who was hurt in a job, someone who was hurt in their circumstances, will be you will not give up. You will not give up, you will be courageous, and you will face your fears, and you will be able to show gut and instinct regarding your future situation. You will be positive in your the outcome is saying that you will be positive, you will be waiting for good things to arrive, and you will reach your 10 of pentacles. So 10 of cups and 10 of pentacles is showing that fulfillment of something will happen for you, definitely in these 10 days. So you will be either seeing accomplishment in money, inheritance, upgradation, promotion, or a good love situation for yourself, which will culminate into a long term relationship. So long term happiness, long term money, long term riches are coming to you, my dear Geminis. So what you should be aware of, angels are advising that always be clear. Clarity will come to you. Divine will help you to get this clarity and go towards a path of progress with lot of action. So you will do some action, cut across the problems and mess, and take action towards the situation and see clearly your path of progress. Some of you will be getting into a situation of dependency. However, some of you will be going into emotional or monetary fulfillment. Wishes will be fulfilled regarding money, but you will become dependent. So there will be a dependent situation and anxiety over money will come. Also, angels are telling you to be quick, watch your back, and be aware of deception in your life. So that is what angels are telling you. So that's it from my side. If you have got some clarity for the next 10 days, please like this reading and subscribe to my channel. And if you have personal problems, if you want to discuss it with me, if you want more clarity in your life, you can ask for a face-to-face tarot reading. I do face-to-face tarot readings to understand you better, to understand your energies. And so you can leave in a comment in the comment box regarding that. I will tell you how to book my readings. So that's it from my side. Bye bye. Best of luck.